Sai Ram students. In this video I am going to show you how to insert an image in PPT. Here you can see the first PPT in mobile which we created in the previous video. I am tapping on it and you can see the 3 slides that we have created. Now I can click on any of the slide and then choose edit. Once I choose edit, in the footer of the screen you can see there is a image icon. Click on the image icon. Now you will be able to see all the images that are there in your mobile. You can choose one of the image, then the image opens. Even before inserting the image into the slide, I can rotate it or I will be able to crop it. So I am tapping on crop. You can see there are small horizontal line in middle of the screen, on top of the image and bottom of the image. By tapping on it and moving, you will be able to resize the image. The same thing you can do vertically also. Now observe the 4 small circles on the corners. You can use those circles to crop the image to form any type of quadrangle. As you can see, I can make any quadrangle here while cropping the image. But once I confirm the cropping, the quadrangle will be reshaped into a rectangle, adjusting the pixels that are there. Let me click on confirm and show you. You can observe that there are more pixels on the left side and less pixels on the right side. But once I click on confirm, these pixels will be adjusted, either compressed or expanded to form a rectangle. Hope it is clear. Once the cropping is over, you can tap done. The image has been inserted. Now if you tap on the image, you will get few options where you can duplicate the image or delete the image. I am clicking on delete the image and going to insert it with proper resolution this time. Now as the image is inserted, I have different options on the footer. The first option is to crop. It means not only before inserting the image, even after inserting the image you will be able to crop it. I am clicking on the crop and then cropping the image. Tap on the crop again to get the cropped image. The second option is to give some styles, that is to add some borders, different types of preset borders, or to change the shape into circles, or whatever preset styles that are there. Minimize it. The third option is giving a shadow to the image. You can see there are few preset shadow options. You can choose one of the options to give shadow to the image. The fourth option is reflection, and then fifth option is arranging the image on the slide. As of now I have only one image, so I will not be able to show you the use of arranging. Let me add one more image and show you the use of this arranging. Tap on the background of the slide. You will get these options. Choose insert image. Insert any of the images that are available. Now you can see Swami's image has gone backward. Click on the fifth icon here, that is the arrange icon, and then you will be able to switch over the images front and back. Now you can see the Swami's image is on top of that girl's image. The next icon is add comment. You can click on that and write some comment. And the last icon is undo the changes that you have made. So quick recap, whenever you want to insert, click on the background of the slide, then choose on fourth icon, that is insert image. Once the image is inserted, you can click on the image to get the options. The first one is cropping, second one is styles, third one is shadow, fourth one is reflection, fifth one is arranging, sixth one is commenting, and seventh one is undo the previous changes. Once you have inserted your image with the required properties, you can click on this tick mark on the top left. Hope you understood how to insert image and work on it. Sai Ram.